I thought that were a kid. The dad. Tiny compared to thing. Tiny compared to the kid that she's walking with. The adult person next to him. Oh, that's good. Good pothole. Everyone's playing the same game, avoid the massive potholes. Avoid the massive potholes. There has been a wheel destroyer down here, but I'm not sure what side it's been on. Oh, could that be it? One of them's a wheel destroyer. They both got their hazard lights on. The part up at the side. Yep. Yep. I mean, that's how bad it is, isn't it? You know what I mean? You just can't go out. That's smashing. But so that's happened there. The person's put the hazard lights on. See, the two cars have hit the same pothole, or one car's at that pothole, and I bet you money it's that one they've hit there. It's that one they've hit. Yeah, I'm watching, don't worry. It's not a pothole, it's a crater, isn't it? Oh, I saw that one though, to be fair, really. That's why you better off saying. Yeah, when we came down here, I saw that one. Yeah. I saw it. One, yeah, I went wide. It might be that one. There's one there. That's that. That might be the pothole. There's one or two pothole destroying craters on here.
Certain roads you shouldn't go down.
No. Well, you wouldn't want to go down there, that would you? I've got a line of cars behind me, but they can all piss off. Prioritising what I need to prioritise.
Rotate you they can.
Like a tractor, 40 miles an hour max. This might be the one. There's one up here somewhere that rips. It could be that one.
Might be.
But some people don't even see the potholes, they're just too busy. That one old person driving in that car, an oldish person, probably didn't even see it. Yeah, look alright now. Looks alright at the moment. That's where that big pool of water is, so down there. Yeah, I know. That's the crater, that's all. Yep. These are just shameful. Aren't they? But, you know, all the councils just blame each other, and they're just like, oh, it's reforms, can't patch, oh, it's because of reform. Then you got others that will say, you know, well, it's not for reform, it's Conservatives, and it's not, it's Labour, you know, it's all of them. All to blame. It's not the county councils to blame for the last 20 years of not looking after the roads properly and using VIA to do shit jobs. And it's making everyone really angry, which is understandable.